Hello, my name is Miguel Luengo. I'm an architect. We are based in Madrid. Our office is called Amarillo Estudio, which is yellow in Spanish. So this is our pyramid, and this is truly our pyramid because this is a result of close to 50, 2 times 50 hands doing from the beginning, meaning from the design, original design, to the 3D modeling, then the vision of this whole thing into different modules, the fantastic weavers. As we can see in here, the work of handmade Nebula with Claudia, and also her fantastic, artisans and weavers. And we co-created along with Idonika, the company that put us all kind of created the whole team for this installation for Guatemala, for the Guatemalan Institute of Tourism. The project, in fact, it started off more than 2 years ago with a trip to Guatemala. We got inspired in Tikal by the great first temple, it's a classical period, the Great Jaguar temple. It also insists on lightness, it's a very light structure, even if it's 500 kilograms, but this aluminum structure makes it way lighter than it could be. But in any case, this idea of inhabiting the temple was about basically carving out or carving away what a real Mayan temple is about, which is solid, is massive, it's heavy. So we wanted somehow to invert these concepts or invert these ideas in order to create something that felt and looked like a temple, and yet it was even more the opposite. The inside, though, is one single idea that binds everything up, as you can see, because there's continuity in the not only in the lines, not only in the different areas, but also in total. We wanted it to be kind of a Pollock strip painting. One of the options that we somehow select, if we went one way or the other, was to have the back of one textile, like this one, for example, as the reference. That kind of random pattern that by chance happened to exist in the backside of a huipil was the inspiration of the whole pattern, which is amazing, because we can see like the stitches, and the different brushes of that, again, random pattern that the back of a huipil has. And we divided the whole thing into 8 different modules. The smallest one is this one. It's 4 centimeters long, and the biggest one, for instance, this one's 46 centimeters long. So for us, it was very precise, very objective. I mean, impossible to make a mistake because a centimeter is a centimeter everywhere, But then it wasn't like that, and it wasn't like that for good, because when we received all the pieces, some of them, I don't know if we can even see it in here, but we see that this one is slightly shorter, this one is slightly larger, The scale of this project is not the centimeter, it's the scale of life with all its complexity. And let's hope that we can keep on working for Guatemala, and even going to Guatemala, because as a country is just unbelievable.